Boom! H150i Elite Catalyst 360 AIO. These fans right here and this radiator and pump is part of the Elite Catalyst H150i. Very quiet and very beautiful. Now you see these fans right here, these are part of my case, but they're CORSAIR fan. So they sync with the H150i Catalyst because it comes with a fan node that controls up to 6 fans, speeds, and color. And you can install the software. You see right here, this is the H150 Catalyst. You can control the fan, you can have a different effect. Right now it's on rainbow, but if I click it to marquee, it's a marquee right now. If I want a color shift, I can have a color shift pattern. If I want a color swap, boom, color swap. The cool thing about this is that the colors move between the fans. It comes together as a whole set. It's all the fans that work together to create a very cool effect for you. And you have so many of these effects. This is like the infinity. You see how the light moves between the fan? Super cool. And this is just the fans, right? We can change the pumps colors separately as well. I mean, there's so many effects. You can see it looks so good. Again, this is the Catalyst H150i right there. This thing is quiet and it looks so good. Oh yeah.